What's up, everybody? So, interesting video. I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. I'm not an Apple user, so why do I have an Apple Watch, you may ask? Well, my wife is an Apple user. So she's been using a Fitbit actually for a while, and this year she asked for an Apple Watch, and so I was like, yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to actually unbox it. She doesn't really care about opening it. So for let's let a hardcore Android user do an Apple unboxing. So here we go. We're gonna actually start right from the Amazon box itself and open it up. I have high expectations. All I hear of Apple products and stuff that this better be high quality, right? So we'll see. Apple Watch. Ooh. You know, I expect the packaging to be at least half of the price. Okay, so this is a Series 7 aluminum smart band. Ooh, there we go. That is the watch. So let's open this up. Come on, Apple, I'm expecting some premium experience here. There we go. Oh, wait, I just did one. How did I get that out? There it is. All right. So we open it up. We got all these little Apple Watches all over it. So there's the outer box. It's almost like a plastic. Yeah, almost like a plasticky. Alright, Apple Watch, 2 boxes. The band gets its own box, and then the watch. So let's start with the band. A little easy open tab. And is that it? That looks like it. Now let's pull out. Oh, come on. There we go. That opens up. And more cardboard. Apple Watch. Ooh. How to attach, how to adjust, how to remove, and in Spanish and multiple languages. There we go. There is the band itself. Oh my goodness, how does this? There it goes. Look at that. Here. Yeah. And then we have the small band here. Ah, nice. So we've got. Oh, is it actually magnetic? No. Oh, that's just the clip. Okay, so we got the main piece, and then we have the large and the small band. All the box and stuff that came in. And now the watch. Ooh, we have 2 release things on this one. Alright, and then, it's interesting, hold on, is this just the watch itself without the bands attached? Why is it in such a big box if that's the case? See, I'm not disappointed by this unboxing process. It's incredibly overly engineered. If you watch my unboxing of the Fitbit, does not compare. So we got some more informational packets on very custom paper. And then we have our charger and a lot of cardboard. And let's see here, another one of these things I can't seem to figure out how you... There we go. It's really not that hard, I'm just making it difficult, I guess. Alright. And it's like everything is packaged with like such intensity. Like look at that. It had like a special like cardboard holder for it. And then this thing is like packaged in there like Fort Knox, like it's a charger, but this is probably like a $50 charger, so I am giving this a hard time. It is a fun process unboxing Apple products. Microsoft's got a little bit better at this now too. I used to be really against Apple. I don't use their products, but honestly, I can see the appeal to a unified ecosystem. So I can have a conversation with you anyway. If you want to bash Apple products, I can jump in, and if you love Apple products, go for it. I can jump in with you on that too. I get it. So I try to be more open to that. And then the Apple Watch itself. So actually, this is less of a premium product because the bands aren't attached. When I got my Fitbit, it was ready to go. I guess that's probably because you can get different bands and different watch heads, so they're probably just putting into that box. That makes sense why it was 2 different boxes, because you're kind of special ordering what watch head and watch bands are you wanting. So I'm sure there's a reason for all that. Alright, let's just see if we can carefully slide this out without breaking it. This thing costs more than all my mic and camera equipment, that's for sure. There we go. There is the Apple Watch. I don't see any protective things that need to peel off the screen. Alright, so let's see if we can slide in. Oh, which way? This piece should go on the top of the watch, which I believe is like this. And then it slides in, if I understand that correctly, like this. And then let's see, does it go that way? No, it goes this way. Definitely goes that way. Has to go this way. Boom. There you have it. The Apple Watch Series 7, which actually I got off Amazon for $375. I'll put the Amazon link down in the description if you are interested, if you do use Apple products. Honestly, I mean, I would probably be using a Google watch if they had an official Pixel Google Watch. I'd pay $400 for that, probably, maybe. I don't know, they haven't made one. So, yeah, this normally is $400 and higher, because obviously you can get premium bands and things like that. So it seemed like a pretty decent deal when it was $375 on Amazon. So I'll put that link down below. Check it out, see if it's still at that decent price. If you buy it using my link, it helps me out. So I would appreciate that. But this is definitely different than my normal videos. So if this is the first video that you're watching on this channel, know that is normally very different. I'm giving you a review, tech tip, talking about cryptocurrency, building some kind of technical or mining rig or something like that. But just thought I'd try something a little bit different, do an unboxing, enjoy the experience, and just have some fun, like I said. So if you enjoyed this, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe for maybe some more unboxings. I do some unboxings. So if you want more, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you like unboxings. Otherwise, stay tuned for more tech tips, reviews, and stuff about cryptocurrency. So see you all soon in the next video. Have a great day.